Hey everybody, really quickly, I'm on here. As you can see, I have freshly washed hair. I'm Shauna. of What to Wear Here and There.
Welcome back to What to Wear Here and There. I'm Lashana and I'm here to give you what you want. Yeah. Style, hair, fashion, and flair. Come along, sit down, grab your pretty drink.
Stay with me. And I know that it is summertime and we are not really doing the silk presses, but y'all, I've been in a ponytail for about 2 months now. Kind of a sleek, wavy pony wearing a plait and a bun. And so I just said, you know what, we're gonna go ahead and straighten it out. But overnight, I don't know if you could tell, this happened. It got a little wet. I don't know, I think in the shower, and then I wrapped my hair and didn't realize it. So I'm just going to use this Hot Tools Pretty in Pink curling iron just to give myself a few little curls going down. I am loving the sheen on my hair right now. I will show you how it's really, after giving myself the blowout in the silk press, it always looks much thinner, but I will show you what it looks like in the back, from the loss to how it's kind of trying to come back in. I did trim about an inch off on last evening, so, but just to give me some type of texture, because I've been loving the texture from what have I been using, guys? Let me show you. I've been using this product to slick my hair down, which creates really pretty waves. Even in my ponytail, it's given my hair a nice thickness to it. And I've also been using a little bit of gel to kind of slick it down. But anyway, I'm just here quickly to give you a little sneak peek, and then I will just share a picture at the end. So to start, I'm just going to separate out a little piece, and I want the curls to go backwards. So I'm just going to twirl the hair around the curler like this, and then I'm going to slide downward as I go and twirl a little bit. I don't want super curly. I'm just trying to give myself a little bit of body. So that's why I'm doing it this way, doing it kind of quickly. And then I'm going to wrap it up in two ponytails as a bun. And then we will see what I get. I'm just looking for a body, not really like Shirley Temple curls. So when all of this is done, it'll be kind of like this. This is what I'm imagining, like this type of look versus this. So it's not a big difference, but just a little body, so it won't be bone straight. So anyway, hey everybody, Lashana here, What to Wear Here and There, answering a subscriber's question on what curling iron I use when I do my curls. They saw old footage back when I had my hair curled by the curling iron. What curling iron do I use and how do I do it? So, actually it was an IG post with curls. So here, actually my hair got a little wet from last night's shower, so I'm just sharing with you guys. Also, this bendy curler is satin lined, which I strongly suggest for the girls who don't like the rubberized ones. These tend to slide, but you can tighten them. So I curled this one. As you guys know, my hair doesn't really hold curls because it's so used to being straight. So I have to roll it immediately afterwards, but just separating a piece of my hair. And then this is the curling iron I've been using lately. It is from Hot Tools. I do feel like You know, they're just as good as Golden Hot. Maybe they're even the same company. But anyway, Hot Tools, and this is my pretty and pink one, I like to call her. So I just start here up at the top, and then I wrap around and I go down as I wrap. Trying not to keep heat on one particular spot. And then once I get to the end of wrapping it, now this could be a fail on camera, but I start to roll and see how it unfurls, but it'll get caught up. So I go to the end, and then once the end is stuck inside of that little clamp, then I roll upward. And this is if you want curls going backwards. And I hold it a few seconds, about 6 seconds, and then I gently let her go, and that's what we have. And then I'll pull the other one back up front. Whatever I've done, as you guys can see, they're basically not curled, but it's gonna give me body. Really, all I would like is body. Sorry, I'm not flashing anybody. And then I go ahead and I just insert the curling iron behind the curl and then wrap. Okay. And as you see here, you guys know, or if you don't know, you bend them upward and downward. Hope I'm in the camera. And then you'll just wrap your hair up at night with your bonnet or whatever. I like to put a scarf on and then the bonnet. So I'm gonna do the other side and then we're gonna call it a day. Just thought I would share, someone asked. And so here, as my introduction song says, I'm here to give you what you want. All right, ladies and gents, have a great day. I love you from my heart from being here. Bye for now.